Hey everyone, we are happy to announce that DeliverLogic now has open API integration. What does this mean? This means that if your software can send certain information through our software, you're able to create orders directly inside of your dispatch screen through the API integration. So, the couple of things that you will need before you go ahead and start creating these integrations and certain ways to inject orders is going to be the API directory that you can find in your admin backend. So if you go into your admin backend, all the way on the bottom left, you will find an API tab. From here, you will see that you have your delivery locations listed, your API URL, your site URL to provide to Zapier if you're using that for integrations, and then your DLID, which is going to mark which number is going to correspond to which location in your admin backend. Now, you will see that API docs are going to be here. Simply click on it, and then you can have a detailed breakdown if you have software developers that they can use this in order to see certain information. So if you go to any of these, you can click on them, get some more information on how they are presented, how they're pushed through, and we're not going to go into details over these right now, but what we're going to do is I'm going to point you down towards this Confluence article, which I'm going to leave in the description down below, and this is going to give you some basic answers on how you can utilize this integration. Now, you will also be able to see some basic use cases. So we have 4 right now that are, in our opinion, going to be the most commonly used. And if you click into any of these articles, you will be able to see that there is a guide for each one of these. So if I click on this one, I will be directed to a article that's going to be listed on the left hand side here, and you will have a step-by-step guide on how you can create these integrations and use them right away. So if you have any questions or any suggestions or any ideas on how we can utilize this API integration more, you will have a form over here, and we will look into it if it makes sense for the whole database and for everybody that's utilizing our software. So if you have any other questions, please let us know, and happy integration. This is a exciting time for our software because you will be able to make certain tasks more automated, and you will be able to save time and make the most out of DeliverLogic software. So until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.